Hey, it's Christian over at C&G. So, we got something very special today. Dorothy Biangiola. She's the owner of C&G Early Ford, and she actually brought her car in today, which is honestly one of my favorite cars that Ford has ever really come out with. The Ford Deluxe. It's a 1940 sedan delivery. Now, I'm going to go through the whole car with you guys, one area at a time. We're going to start with the front, go on to the rear. Come join me. Alright, so let's take a look under the hood, under the delivery. Really cool opening mechanism. So we're going to lift up the latch here, pull it up, let go of the safety, and there we go. Now you're going to see that this is not the original powertrain. This is a Ford 1984 block 302. It has been stroked to 347. Quite an impressive piece because it has a lot of modern amenities such as an alternator and an AC unit. Why don't you come on closer, we're going to see what we're looking at. Right here we have a Holley 650 CFM carburetor, and man does this thing purr. This is probably one of the best sounding 347s I've heard in a long time. And as you can see, there's a lot of custom items here under the car. Aluminum radiator. This thing was dynoed with fuel injection. It was producing probably upwards around over 400 horsepower. It's been toned down a little bit with the carburetor, but boy does it move. Not only does this car have all the modern amenities I was talking about, but it also has power steering. Full Mustang 2 front end suspension makes this car handle just like a new one as we have today. This car handles so well, you would almost confuse it as a new car. Really, really cool options. It also has turn signals that we offer here at C&G. Let me bring you inside and show you what beautiful interior this offers. Not only a very original style dash, and it has a shifter that looks almost original, but remember, like I said, modern amenities. This offers an AOD automatic transmission. And this is definitely something you could drive to work every day. I know I would, and I'm always jealous when I see this car come in. If you come to the back, it just gets even better. It has a grafted in tail light here. Really custom, but honestly very subtle. It's super nice, and let me show you the inside. So the car here has been fully upholstered with speakers on all end. It is just a really, really nice cruiser. And one of my other favorite parts about this car is a lot on these older cars, they tend to close like safes. Just listen to this. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I really wish that most people drove cars like this these days. It's just something that you want to see on the road all the time. But why don't you go find an old car, restore it, have a little bit of fun, go to a car show, see what you like. But remember to always enjoy your cars and be safe on the road. I'll see you guys later for the next car review.